Hello, this is Varun. Welcome all. Today we have come up with the discussion of a crucial aspect of our life, electricity. In the modern world, our homes, offices, hospitals, etc. are incomplete and almost impossible without electricity. But all that glitters is not gold. Due to this, we also live in a constant state of electrical hazards. Electric shocks, short circuits, fire surges, blackouts, etc. have become the routine problems in our lives. It also causes millions of deaths. But what if I tell you that we have found a solution? Yes, you heard it right and heard it here for the first time. Introducing SafeOn Power Purifier, brought to you by Jaipur-based company Punto Corporation Private Limited. SafeOn Power Purifier is a patented multi-utility electric safety device which is installed between your electricity meter and distribution panel. And that's it. You are covered with the product that will save your life from now on, in instances that you will only recall in nostalgic memories of your past now, because what you have bought home now is the future of electrical safety. Let us get started on with the live demonstration of our product now. The device which we are going to use for this demo has a capacity of 60 watts and it operates on a 220 volt AC supply. Now I'll connect SafeOn Power Purifier to the electric supply and turn on the switch to begin the supply. And as you can see, the flow of electricity has started as seen in this product. All the electricity from now on will be harmless and will not cause any destruction. Now I am connecting a plug to SafeOn, which is further connected to a bulb of 60 watts. One thing I would like to bring to your attention is the portion of the wire in the middle here has its lamination removed. So naturally, if I touch here, I'll be suffering from an electric shock, and which may be life-taking. But this, ladies and gentlemen, is where we change the game of electricity we have known all our life. Now watch this as I touch this. Yes, you are right. I'm totally safe here and witnessing your awestruck faces. Now, to clear the doubts in your mind whether there is actually an electric flow or not, my team member will check the flow by using the tester against my body, and you can see there is strong flow of electric current but without any shock, just safe electric current. Now let me show you another instance. I'll connect another wire here. Both the parts of this wire will be in my hand. One is phase and one is neutral. As we know that when both of these wires come in contact with each other, it creates a short circuit. Now we'll touch both of them to each other and see what happens. As you can see, as soon as I touched these wires to each other, the SafeOn alarm went on indicating that there is a short circuit situation had arisen. SafeOn Power Purifier has kept it up to itself and protected appliances from all sort of damages. Let me show you a situation where it is nearly impossible to save yourself from an electric shock. Yes friends, I'm talking about the lethal combination of electricity and water. Be it a current leakage in a swimming pool, bathroom geyser, room coolers, all of these are deadly. So here, I have taken a bowl full of water and I have taken the same wires as before. As you can see, power supply is on, the bulb is lit. Now, I'll be putting both of these wires into the water. Now I'll be putting my finger in the water. Ideally, I should have bid goodbye to this world at this moment, but God, it is some kind of magic miracle. No, ladies and gentlemen, this is just SafeOn, the revolution of getting safety, the safe electricity to your home, office, buildings, etc. as it deserves. Not only this, SafeOn also protects you from voltage surge spikes, overload condition, and stabilizes your voltage fluctuation. So SafeOn protects you from all kind of electric hazards. So what are you waiting for? Make your premises electric hazard free. Book yours now. SafeOn comes for single as well as 3-phase power supply and can be customized for you as per your required kilowatt load. This demo of SafeOn can only be given by company authorized personnel. This is a device aimed towards safety. The effect of this device not meant to be demonstrated by unauthorized persons. Touching phase and neutral together can be hazardous. SafeOn Power Purifier is made with a patented technology. Unauthorized sale, demonstration or imitation of this product or its technology may lead to legal actions.